Hi guys, here 5 square is 25 plus 40 divided by 5 times 8. Here this 25 plus 40 is 65 divided by 5 times 8. Here this 65 divided by 5 is 13 times 8. Here 13 times 8 is 104 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 104 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this we are going to follow another rule called left to right. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operation, this exponent is higher priority now. So 5 square is 25 plus 40 divided by 5 times 8. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. Division and multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this before this addition. Here both are equal priority. Division and multiplications are. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is this one. 25 plus this is 8 times 8. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition as per this. So 25 plus 8 times 8 is 64. Here 25 plus 64 is 89 is the correct answer.